If you have a cold, cough, or flu, make this thyme tea with honey and lemon. For convenience, I pre-made some lemon and thyme ice cubes. Check out my recent short to see how to make these. I was curious to see if it would taste like sour candy, so it kind of did, minus the sugar. I'm going to put 2 of these ice cubes in some boiling water, and we're going to let this steep for 10 minutes. I always recommend thyme because it's an expectorant, antimicrobial, helps relieve coughs, and it's pretty cheap to buy. Once it's cooled down a bit, I'm going to add a teaspoon of local honey. And I couldn't open the jar, but I have a hack for that. Take an elastic and put it around the lid, and voila! I learned that hack from my dad as a kid, and when he did it the first time, I was like, whoa. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day.